How you doing, guys? Welcome to Ian's Product Focus. What we're going to focus on today is with G.A.S systems from NutSystems. It's the NFT system in the range. It comes in 6 different sizes, starting with the 205 all the way up to the big square meter units. I'll show you how it works. It's really simple. You get this Corex in the top of all the systems, and where you want to place the plant, you just cut a hole wherever you're going to put it. Generally rock wool is used in this system. Cut a hole where the block is, make sure the block's rooted before you drop it in, and literally drop it through the square here. What happens then, your roots grow down out of the block into this mesh in the bottom. You coat it with this product. This is a spreader matting, so you coat the spreader matting inside the tray and down into the tank. That allows the water to run down this corrugated through this material, allowing the roots something to grab hold of. Again, it's called NFT technique, nutrient film technique. So as it puts the water across here in a really small film, it allows the roots to get super oxygenated, but take all the nutrients they need to grow. Sometimes you get roots like this, so you actually fill this full area full of roots, and you know what happens when you get big roots? You get big, great plants. You've got to support the plant in this system because it's only got a root mass in here, so it's not in a big pot, so you need to net it or at least support it with canes to stop the plant falling over as you get that weight on the plant. So you've got the Corex plate, you've got the top plate here. This is the tank, and inside all the systems you get a pump. The pump is spec'd to the right size system, and all it does, it sucks water through the side here. That's adjustable, so you can slow it down or speed it up here, down into the tray, back into the tank, so it's recirculating all the time. Means you need to be checking your pH and your EC in your tank constantly, just to make sure you're spot on. These little pumps come with this little hose, so you drop that out of the tank. That allows water to be sucked in as the water bypasses it, super oxygenating your water. So you get super oxygenated water running down this film where the roots are growing back into the tank, and you get these massive plants. NFT's been around for absolutely years. It's one of the best systems on the market by far for super increased growth without using a lot of growing medium. So if you're trying to cut back on growing medium, which I know can be a pain in the ass, what you do, use the grow tanks. The NFT system is absolutely perfect for you. Again, 6 different sizes, offering different sizes for different number of plants. If you want any more information on the G.A.S systems from NutSystems, jump on the Global Airs website. Cheers, guys.